Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix why does my Rocket League have no sound on iPhone. If you are playing Rocket League on your iPhone and there's no sound at all, don't worry. This is the common issue and in the video I will explain why it happens and how to fix it. Your phone might be in silent mode. Check the small switch on the side of your iPhone. If it flips down, then you see an orange line. Your phone is muted. Flip it back up and switch to the game and check game. While Rocket League swipe away is open, press the volume button on your iPhone. Sometimes the volume is low only for game. Now let's check the in-game sound setting. Open the Rocket League, go to the setting, then tap audio and make sure sound effect and music are turned on and not set to be 0. If your iPhone is connected to the Bluetooth headphone, AirPods or speaker, the sound may be playing there instead. Go to the iPhone setting, turn Bluetooth off and check the game again. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. This clears all small system bugs that can stop sound from your working in app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.